Bon ba kinong Meghalaya kamtam ki khasi ki basa tarai bat puli hanong ba Delhi kila kandolang krui hanong ba Delhi hakasi sajan ban pensyong kun yak limpung Mr. but Miss Nyotram kabla pelong da ka KSU Delhi Unit Meghalaya House Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road Delhi. Hagari ka janmi ladon lang ru na du sembut menteri rang ba kajala ba preston tensang nang tau MP ketura usaleng sangma wemele kejawai ba waila chela ba ru uba Daniel thank you ba day officer on special duty jong menteri rang ba kalba na kaliang ka KSU na wan bandon lang na du president rang ba kaseng uba lambok starwell marnga na lor kiwe hagani ka jingakop rang ba thay bhabriu kila dan riu ngot ki samla shinrang bat khadwei ngot ki samla ken thay ki bawan bani shimlanta hapadeng ki jingakop ka ba shangshet bha usamla Franklin Marwin bat ka samla Aidamon talang kila yo aban ra yakanam ladu ha ka jingakop nakaliang sembut menteri rang ba kumju nakaliang uba Daniel badru president ka KSU kila ai ka buram ya ka jingtrai borba jong kinong yalam ka seng ha ka jingya khun banyaram yada bat plilenti lam ya ki nong shong shnong ka jala ki ba kendo ki ba bon ki jing e anong ba Delhi
coming all the way from different parts of Delhi to witness this important function that we have this evening. Then, friends, first time ever, I'm able to part of this program. I think 2-3 times I miss out the invitation made by the KSU Delhi unit because of my preoccupation. I could not make it. But this time, as I said to you, I'm so happy to be here. I've seen our friends, our dear ones, working, serving in Delhi in different capacities and also in different offices, different ministries. Thank you so much. Our officers from the state government too, Mr. Khakumo, Principal Secretary of the government who has just left. And I'm so happy that all of us are here together to inspire and also to say that the KSU unit Delhi has done a very good job, and we wish to see that you're getting better and better in the days to come. Under your leadership, Balam, I'm sure you will be able to spread the wings of the KSU throughout India. As you did mention that you have quite a number of units, be it in South India and especially here in Delhi being the capital of the nation. You did the right thing. Thank you so much, Marbian, by Nicholas. Under your leadership, I'm able to see the good works and the good deeds that you have done, where ultimately the return of that is the blessing comes to the state of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to prolong my speech. We are here today together with our Honorable MP from Tura, with this rich culture, the rich tradition that we have. So friends, we would like to showcase Meghalaya. Here is Meghalaya. Our KSU members unit Delhi, I would like to tell you, very soon we are going to reconstruct this Meghalaya. Very soon, within this year itself, we are going to reconstruct the Meghalaya house over here with a proper space for functions that we are going to have maybe in the next few years from now. We'll have a dedicated hall. The sign is being made, and as I said to you, very soon our Honorable Chief Minister will lay the foundation stone. And we have seen it Aurangzeb Road, known before, is the ideal location. Be it official, be it unofficial, it is the best place ever that we have. We are so lucky, we are being blessed. Such a small state like Meghalaya, but still we got the best location here in Delhi. So friends, we are together here from the government of Meghalaya. As I said to you, I promise you, we are here to serve the people of the state. And we would also like to invite our friends from different parts of India. Come over to Shillong. Come over to Meghalaya. Enjoy the natural AC that we have. But Lambok, he already did mention. We don't need this artificial. It's so unhealthy, you know. Very unhealthy. Especially for me, you know, bald head. I can't tolerate. Come enjoy the natural AC in Meghalaya. Be it Garo Hills, be it Khasi.
I just want to narrate a small story about myself way back in the year 2002, 3, 4 and 5 when I was in Delhi. I was working, I was married then, I had a 2-year-old daughter. We faced so much of problems during those days, and those problems exist even today. But back then we had no one to turn to. We have to live on our own. But today's generation, all my friends from Meghalaya and from Northeast, you are very fortunate that there is somebody who can look after you. Like Kong Marbiang had said, that how much the KSU has helped people living in Delhi, especially from the state of Meghalaya. Now, if we look at Meghalaya, we have faith, we have hope in the leadership of Shri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister. People who live in Delhi and have not gone back home, I'm sure in few years' time, when you go back home, you will see a lot of changes, a lot of developmental activities going around. We have here with us Sir Preston Tinsong, a very tall leader from the Khasi community who has led by example. Under his leadership, we can see so much of development. And sir, what I can tell is that your presence today has really motivated many of the students who are studying, working and living in Delhi. I have nothing much of theme. Bantay Kalaway, Dak Jingetali, Bak Jingetrelang. Building the future through unity and cooperation. This is exactly what this function today is all about. This is exactly what the case has envisioned to preserve, to protect and to bring unity among all Meghalayans living outside the state of Meghalaya. Hinyotrep is not a new word to anybody, but it still echoes in our minds. Hinyotrep is the 7 huts of the Khasi people. It's the 7 families or the 7 clans that they refer to. So this function is really to bring us together. My message to all of you is, in today's world of being competitive, in today's world of going outside the state to look for better education, to look for better job, to look for better career, one must not forget his roots. One must not forget where he came from. Meghalaya is a diverse state with many cultures even within the Khasi society. If we go beyond Meghalaya, we have the Northeast. The Northeast is one of the most beautiful regions in the country. Northeast has diverse culture, language, communities, religions. So this is a very, very good opportunity for all of us to be here today so that we can see what is going to be displayed in front of us about the Mr. and Mrs. Hinyotrep displaying various dress and culture of our own people.
Kejap ni kepuak rektor beri kamu dari soge ada kalian ni. Trai saudong sokun ada kini kelumpung ngai bang ibi ada kalian rangkap biom Pori kasih ngimdom kam ni kum kini na baru belum ku pang ni kari ke jom. Kay bang akwa bang nang golong matrai ka jingya fair nang ni ba pori kasih kalong haibun ba kilian. Lagi 1000 kilometer matrai nang ni spo kari ke jungi kadan ni ka jingya fair. Ka jingya fair nadu kamariang ka pangiring siam ka jinglang jungman ni ka jingya fair nadu ka ktiam ngi kran kajinget kajinget per kalong bangirus paaro iriti gidosto irus paaro iktiam bagi keren apo jangka beri metra na sausaron manong ba akum gani kesmi ba ki isu Delhi unit kapolong yakum gani ka program ane po nong ba Delhi kapani ba kata ka kolsor jungi kajing rus pa jungi kam sumlakut tang thi po lum rai rasul thiat lo sini kani kapani ba kajat pendiri jungi watlang kajukran berbor watlangi duna kajukun pat nyadai irasang baban kio ambil tang kata kajingdam jingyam ngasdam ban kio kata kajingtep kajungi ngasdam ban kio hat baro kilen kadai sibenta ka bangihap ban sarong ialah kajong kabentang kabati longswa ki monswa ki kuang ki kemak kujungi irai hangi kilong mitang kasong satang hangi bangin sumar in penek pensa bat bangin yele ban kentiu ya ta katolong ka tenrai kabang iralong terpang kum gajat pending horoko kum kani kesini kapan parampat ya julung cuman agari ka gajat pending kujungi bawdan ka ketian kabong telingin yang sapret ni kabar yang hukum kita kejing tenju kun gajat pendek rokok jing tenju ulah kolong hak perkhat padan kejing tenju ulah kolong hak kaki kasar kejing tenju kolong rahaga sandur kasan perkhat cumi kejing tenju sudah hilang ndai ilmu hak kata kaspas nem ka baafwe ka bangitet kun kata ka 21st century ka ba najukran berbor bagai kejuk mengirim kilong ba berbunyi raskan banyabe banyobor ia kapuli keputi ke cuma andai jingtin akun kini kesni ki bangim hakani ka jingtelek jong kasandur kasan perkat batmai jong ne perthi kabangi tiang jole sengi kun gajat mari berpa jole se isyaram makatma perkat ke cuma dia lo kata kebentar ke ba Dehosnam araja khaksa adin kejingyo banyak selok banyak perkat ban pensul iki samla kepada nepo nombak dari misalnya ban seng dia kesna terikam jong kesu hatu bisnan ini bat omsang hangi idon kesna terikam jong kesu idon ro huthi po deradun idon ro sethi po bangalore bat sklipat dijelah kan isu borokoi katong ba kesu kabu kalong bangilung lang ikisamla jong gajat pendeng lagi dan ngono caka begidan dulu becingi kilong kita kinong pet nokmi ban sim ni bentaban aji ra jong parari podok osna apren dui ta jing persen ibarat na kalian jong kaseng dia kerpa di pigi podok osna iraramba kilong mi kilong pa ailang tekti galon alang kami jing perkat macam pi begini gini ngelam joki si dulu ni jadi ni kenang la ban kentiu yar kom jing terikam jongka bat kham tam gini la ban ai kati gaman kediang jadi podo prasnam bat song basa hani bai kedu cinge na kapos nama renyuma preng jong kata kacing kedu kam kedu jam hapo ko jala ko ngiu podo prasnam hami nang thi haban si spori tho Zeteng lasak pendam kambak lah, penumut pendam kambak lah itu. Nasab long, tahu long kita kita husir, bat tahu long ban ai kerti gaman kerti keriang, ya bangila bante, bat bangila aduh ban semutu jadi pari perdo osnam, makanya akan di jong kacing tu jumbo om dia ban salam bakal. Nomor panu tham lari kedan kenu kacing sak kembo. Lagalom samla kentai di sedang sabar jom macam jom Ada dia kena ketang, ada dia nak kena luka pun. Handai, wei pakta hai yang kedua senam so, pakta ka senam ka ut, hai di kuan jung ka beri nyu terapin paroko. Lama kali kesing so banong, kecingilong tali, si tali kum ka jai pendeu, ka balong khmak tam kum ki kesing. Kamau, ka ul ka bachmut kan no ka nuru. Kanam la balong ka bi. Bakalong ka bi kan ong ba kanam awat tau ding bom san pun he. Handai kenal betul jing tu kena nak buat esok. Bayam utau din, khmat jung thok diam. Tau diam ba uyam bong ngam semyam bo dim beri upom dik tak. Jadi mat ke jung apan tuan ni na. Uyam ba ki tengah jung tau ding ba ki pari kan tau ding ba. Kata ka pensutu bat ngap pengam ni pi kun ki gor sama be im ke dik nampak tadi. To ana pi pelong kata ka syarat. Kejing tabi kejing saya ya kejat tu dia beri borok ai ka koi kalau hi pelong ta ki sempak semsong kita ki akhir sandur ya kejat